Have you ever thought about how a bird's nest, crafted entirely from the saliva of swiftlets, can become a luxurious delicacy or even a sought-after ingredient in skincare products? With its sky-high price tag, bird's nest has long been a symbol of luxury, cherished in many Asian countries, and is now making its way into Europe. Natural bird's nests are incredibly rare, and the process of harvesting them is just as difficult. Today, let's take a look at the fascinating journey behind this precious treasure, where dedicated farmers have transformed birds' nests into a multi-million-dollar industry. Every year, this remarkable industry continues to grow. As demand for birds' nests continues to rise, they are now also farmed and harvested in controlled environments. This approach helps alleviate some of the risks and challenges associated with harvesting them from the wild. Before entering the swiftlet house, workers must follow strict cleanliness protocols to ensure the bird's living environment remains ideal. When it's time to harvest the nests, farmers often use small mirrors to carefully check for any chicks or eggs left in the nest. After about 3 to 4 years of careful nurturing, the first avocados are ready for harvest. For trees that are low or easily reachable, farmers typically harvest the fruit manually by hand. What's especially important is that this bioplastic is made from renewable resources, helping to reduce traditional plastic waste and contributing to environmental protection. In the context of sustainability, the use of avocados goes beyond just the fruit. It extends to producing bioplastics and food products, all of which play a role in protecting the environment. The Bobcat skid steer is a true powerhouse. With a 100 horsepower engine, it effortlessly tackles stubborn tree stumps. Its exceptional strength allows for flexible operation, overcoming any obstacle and swiftly completing the job with minimal effort, ensuring maximum efficiency. Leave a comment with the number 1 if you love impressive forestry machines and want to discover even more exciting things. The raw bird's nests are poured out, and the entire cleaning process is done by hand. This sorting step is essential to remove any impurities like feathers, dirt, or foreign objects. Once thoroughly cleaned, the nests are placed into molds and shaped using clips. This helps them maintain a consistent form, making packaging more efficient. Finally, the nests are carefully packed into plastic bags and vacuum sealed. This packaging method not only preserves the nests for longer but also helps maintain their flavor and nutritional value, making them ready for distribution to the market. In tropical and subtropical countries, there's a fruit known as the golden superfood due to its exceptional nutritional value and rich, creamy flavor. With annual consumption reaching tens of millions of tons, this fruit has become one of the most important agricultural products in the global farming industry. Beyond being enjoyed fresh, it can be processed into a variety of products, from avocado oil and cosmetics to eco-friendly bioplastics. Without keeping you waiting any longer, let's embark on a journey to explore an avocado farm right now. With a powerful 250 horsepower engine, the Katsu D68 bulldozer is the perfect machine for hauling timber out of the forest in the toughest conditions. Its robust design and powerful drivetrain allow it to navigate rugged terrain, handling heavy tasks quickly and efficiently. The machine's stability and durability ensures smooth timber harvesting, saving both time and effort. Not only is pureed avocado in high demand to meet consumer market needs, but whole fresh avocados are also highly sought after. Carefully selected avocados are passed through a brush washing machine to clean their surfaces, removing impurities and dirt.
Avocado seeds and skins are not waste products.
In fact, they hold significant economic value and are used to produce beneficial products. After being separated from the avocado, the seeds and skins are finely ground to extract avocado oil. This oil can then be used to create a variety of products, including eco-friendly bioplastics. The plastic is fed into an injection molding machine, where it is heated and pressed into molds to form different product shapes.